Hey guys, good morning. We're up early today. It's like 5:30 in the morning, and I got a little bit of a hack for you. Now, this is for all you coffee lovers out there. I like making my coffee in this morning, and every morning I get up, I grind some organic coffee, and I brew it up in this here coffee maker that's got one of those reusable screen filters. I don't like to use the paper filters, especially since everybody's buying them up to use as masks right now. So if you're out of coffee filters, you should probably get one of those screens and just wash it. It's way better. But one of the other things you might be missing, if you've ever tried it, is Laird's Superfood Creamer. Alright? Now I got totally addicted to this stuff, but now I can't get it without driving 50 miles. Okay? The only store around here that sells that type of coffee creamer is Natural Grocers, 50 miles away. And it's really inconvenient to go there. So I looked online to see, if I could just order the stuff. 40 bucks! 40 bucks for this, for 8 ounces of turmeric. So those of you who haven't discovered, turmeric in your coffee is the shit. So that's what I started using. I've been hooked on that Laird Superfood Creamer, and then I ran out and I'm like, man, what am I going to do? I'm addicted to this stuff. It's so good. So I'm going to show you guys how to make your own. Not entirely perfectly like Laird's, but if you look at the ingredients on this stuff, it's pretty straightforward. We got coconut milk powder, organic coconut sugar, organic turmeric powder, aquamin, it's a calcium from marine algae, and coconut oil. Well, we have 4 out of 5 of those ingredients. I don't know where the hell to get aquamin at, but you can go and you can buy coconut milk powder. You can go and you can buy coconut sugar, and you can go buy turmeric. So all you got to do, here's what I do. I don't even use the coconut milk or the coconut sugar half the time, but you can. That's what's mixed in their stuff, and they just mix it all up. First the powder, then the sugar, then the turmeric. So what I do is just add the turmeric with a little bit of this. Instead of the coconut sugar, I like to use agave. And I guess for a calcium source, since I don't have that aquamin or whatever, what I just use is almond milk. Just good old almond milk. There's your calcium right there. And you mix all that together, it makes a pretty good creamy coffee. So let's check it out. So this is the main ingredient, is your coconut milk powder. This is what kind of makes it creamy, sort of. You don't really need this though. This is just a bonus. So all it is just evaporated coconut milk. You could actually make this stuff yourself if you live in an area abundant in coconuts. You can make the coconut milk powder, you can make the coconut sugar, and obviously you can extract the coconut oil too. So you just take a chunk of this. I'm not even measuring anything, I'm just sort of putting stuff in here. Add a chunk of that. It's a little bit clumpy, but it'll break up. So just pour some of that into our little bag here. Okay, crush that up. Then you want to add some coconut sugar. Which is pretty easy. You can just dump it all into the same bag. I'm just using the same Laird's bag that I had used up from before, so a little bit less of the sugar than you had the creamer. You don't need a lot, but of course if you want it sweeter, can add more. I just use agave. Like I said, I usually don't even add the coconut sugar. And then some actual turmeric. So what I've been doing lately is just been putting this straight in my coffee without any of the other ingredients. I just add the turmeric, add a little coconut oil, and the silk almond milk there, and that's it. This is kind of hard to hold open here. Come on. I don't want to dump the whole bottle in there. In fact, it's kind of clumped together, so you usually have to break it up with a knife or something inside before you can pour it. But, oh my God, once you try turmeric in your coffee, there's no going back. And you'd think it would turn your mouth yellow and like stain your whole face and stuff like that, but it actually doesn't. So that's it. And now I'm just going to kind of stir it around a little bit and mix it up as best I can. I don't know how he gets coconut oil in here. Maybe there's like, I don't know of any ways to like dry that out and make it into a powder, but this Laird Hamilton, man, he must be onto something here. And so that's pretty much it. That is what's the main ingredients are. And if you just add the turmeric, your coffee's going to be freaking awesome. So what I do, grab a little coconut oil. It's still kind of cold around here, so it's solid. Once the temperature warms up, it gets a little bit better in here. And then just grab some of this stuff here. And, you know, I would usually grab a whole spoonful like this and just pour that thing right in there. And then just go ahead and add your coffee. I add like maybe half a cup of coffee, and then I stir everything up to make sure there's no clumps. It does break apart pretty easily, though. It doesn't tend to clump up very much. But, oh man, you tried the turmeric in your coffee, there's no going back. It's so good. And it's really good for you too. It like opens up my sinuses. I just feel energy throughout the day. And, you know, it's just something really, really good to eat every single day. So that's my coffee hack. If you can't afford Laird's Superfood Turmeric Creamer, you can make your own for just a few bucks. It's not hard. In fact, if you just want regular cream sugar, you can just do sugar, actual cream, and turmeric, and it'd be awesome. So anyway, you guys have a good one. Peace out, and we'll catch you in the next video.